All right, everybody, it's Chad with GluDown again. Today is my favorite day, traditionally the TCA show, so I'm excited to show you some things that we've got. One we're going to be demonstrating is our Weather Grip product, which we launched last year. That allows you to form in cold weather environments, also allows you to form in the rain. The other thing is we get asked all the time about, Chad, how do we get the glue off the slab after we're done? Boom, right here, everybody. We're officially announcing we have a cleaner. You're welcome. Thank you very much for asking for over 10 years now. Excited to show you that product too. Hope you guys are having a great show. Talk to you soon. Thanks.
Hey, good afternoon, guys. You heard from Chad. That's right. We got 2 new products out. The biggest one we're excited about, our new GluDown 517 cleaner. And as we unveiled last year, our Weather Grip comes in 20-ounce sausages. We're going to show you how these things are done and what they can do.
Before gluing, we always recommend cleaning your surface. In this case, we are using our 517 cleaner with our prep stick so that we don't remove our chalk line. You may also use denatured alcohol or acetone, as they do not leave any residue and do not stain your concrete. When using Weather Grip, we recommend doing an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch bead depending on the width of your reveal, going down the entire length of it. Now that our glue is on the reveal, we roll it over and get ready to place it. It's recommended that you start at one end of the reveal, working it down the length to keep it on the line. Now, since it's not an instant grab, you can adjust as you go along. Once the reveal is roughly in place, apply a firm pressure. It is recommended that once you have placed it and pushed down, that you walk the length of it and make sure it's where you want it to be. Remember, firm surface means a bigger footprint of glue, which ensures holding. When gluing double chamfer, you put 2 beads down the entire length from 1/16 inch to an 1/8 inch, then compress firmly. Don't let cold, wet conditions stop you from gluing down. Weather Grip is designed for all conditions, even with standing water. Yep, plenty of water. Using best practices, we clean the slab before we glue. Using our prep stick makes this task easy. As you can see, another benefit to cleaning your slab, when there's standing water, it keeps the water at bay from where you're going to glue. We call this the Moses effect. Once you've applied the glue to the reveal, push it down just like before. We again want to emphasize, putting pressure on it and spreading the glue underneath the reveal is the best way to ensure success. Once compressed, Weather Grip is good to go and will cure even underwater. Weather Grip is also great in securing forming blocks in extreme climates. To glue these, place a 1/16 inch bead around the perimeter of the forming block. This creates a vacuum effect and prevents other contaminants from penetrating in. When doing this, it's important to use glue-grade materials such as MR50 MDF, plastics, or most metals. Ensure it is where you want it, then stand on it compressing the glue to ensure its placement. Once your walls are stood, it's time to remove it. Using a floor scraper, go at a diagonal using a cutting or slicing motion. Once the reveal is removed, residue can then be scraped off the floor using a floor razor or a scraper. Typically, any residue left on the floor after this is broken down by UV exposure. One of the most common questions we get is, how do I remove the glue from the surface of my slab after I've stood my walls and removed my reveal? Well, the answer is simple. No, you don't need to sand it. No, you don't need to scrape it. You simply need to use GluDown's 517 adhesive cleaner. The 517 cleaner is ideal for cleaning up all aerosol adhesives from the surface of the slab. When used with our prep stick and a 5-gallon pail of cleaner, it makes quick work of the surface adhesive. The 517 cleaner is a fast evaporating, non-staining, and non-darkening cleaner. That's right, like most citrus cleaners, it does not darken your slab. As you can see, after only a few seconds, the cleaner has evaporated and dried completely, leaving no surface residue left on the slab. It doesn't get much cleaner than that. That's Texas muscle and California compliant.
Alright guys, so you've seen what the cleaner can do, you've seen what the weather grip does, what's left on the slab, what gets removed from the slab. Make your own decision, come talk it over with us at booth A11, just inside the expo hall and to the left. We'll see you there.